why you should live today, not wait for the perfect future. We've all said it, haven't we? I'll be happy when I get that job. I'll start living after I move. I'll feel free someday. But someday often never comes. And while we wait for that perfect future, we miss the only moment that's truly real. Today.
The Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Do not act as if you were going to live 10,000 years. Death hangs over you. While you live, while it is in your power, be good." He wasn't being morbid. He was being honest. He ruled Rome during wars, plagues, and loss. There was never an ideal time, so he chose to live now. Modern psychology calls it the arrival fallacy, the belief that happiness will arrive when we finally achieve, change, fix, or win. But the Stoics warned, that kind of thinking is a trap. The philosopher Epictetus said, "It is not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them." We don't fear life itself. We fear that today isn't good enough. So we wait for tomorrow.
The illusion of the perfect future. Let's be real. You don't know what will happen next month, next week, even tonight. But you do know this: you are alive now. And this moment is all you ever truly own. Ancient truths from modern times. Let's go back to Seneca, one of the richest men in Rome, who lost almost everything and was forced to take his own life on Nero's orders. He wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." He had seen palaces and poverty, power and exile. He understood time, not money, is life's rarest currency.
The Stoic practice. Memento Mori. Memento Mori means remember you will die. It's not meant to depress you. It's meant to awaken you. Ask yourself, if today were your last, would you spend it scrolling your phone, or arguing online, or holding back the words someone needs to hear? What the Stoics did differently. They trained their minds every day, not to wish for a better life, but to live this one better. Marcus Aurelius didn't pray for luxury. He reminded himself, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Our modern distraction. Today, we trade hours for dopamine hits. We chase the next notification, the next like. We binge content about life, but forget to live our own. The Stoics would call this spiritual procrastination.
Practical exercises. So what can you do now? 1. The one-day rule. Each morning, say, "This could be my last full day. I will live it mindfully." 2. The one-step rule. Take action on one thing you've been postponing. Just one, today. 3. The one-question rule. Ask yourself, am I waiting to live, or am I actually living? The final reminder. Seneca once wrote, "While we are postponing, life speeds by. It doesn't wait for your plans. It doesn't need your permission. And no one gets to rewind." You don't need a perfect body, a perfect job, or perfect peace to live fully. You only need a choice to be present, a choice to stop waiting, a choice to begin. The perfect future is an illusion, but the present moment, this breath, is real, and it's all you've ever truly had. So live it, not recklessly, not anxiously, but gratefully, because someday will never be better than today.
How to stop regretting the past. The past, we revisit it, we replay it, we rewrite it in our minds. But here's the truth the Stoics understood. You can't change a single second of it. Not one word, not one decision. And that's okay. Epictetus said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Regret is a reaction, a thought, not a fact. You are not your past. You are what you choose to do now with it. Yes, maybe you made mistakes. Maybe you hurt someone. Maybe you stayed silent when you should have spoken. But the Stoics would ask, is this pain helping you live better today? If not, let it go. Use it, don't dwell on it. Stoic practice. Turn regret into reason. Ask, what did I learn? Ask, who did I become because of that? Ask, how can I act differently now? Regret loses power when you grow from it, and the past becomes your teacher, not your prison. You can't go back, but you can go forward with your eyes open, your heart stronger, and your mind clearer. Let the past shape you, not shackle you. Live today so that you won't have to regret this moment tomorrow.
Before we end, this video wasn't meant to give you easy answers, but maybe it helped you ask yourself better questions. Was this useful to you? Did it make you think or feel something you've been ignoring? Let me know in the comments. What topics speak to you most? Stoicism, regret, anxiety, death, discipline? Your input helps shape the next video and this community. And if you feel this message could help someone else, share it. You never know who might need it today. See you in the next one. Until then, live not someday, but now.